Just wanted to make a quick little video of what I'm seeing because I'm kind of confused. So we've gone back and forth on this one, blank responses. I was able to see the holidays email. So when I send out a group email, you're able to see that. But your response to my last email was blank again. Could you send me a new email separate from this and see if that works? So as I've showed you before, I'm able to go into your account. So I went into a few of your emails and I'm kind of confused because when I click on my emails, here's what you sent me. I have received 3 emails. This is your message to me, and my response is literally right here. So I'm wondering if you're on a mobile device. I'm wondering if there's something going on, or you're just not seeing that there's sort of like my response is just at the top. So if I was to go through a couple more emails, so this is, I don't know if this is a group email or one with me back to you. No, that's just a one email. I'll see if I can find last week before the holidays. And then this is that one again, where there's my response. So it puts in the message, the subject line, and then there's my response right there. So here's your email to me. And then I said, excellent questions. So let me know if that's what you're seeing or not, because when I went into your account, I was able to see my responses. Sorry, I have a very angry dog that I'm not paying attention to. So let me know how I can help, or if there's a different device that you're working on and this isn't what you're seeing.